KevG Weather Overview back with you again. And we have a wild storm, and it's coming in imminently. It'll be here within the next few hours. And this is happening when a lot of people are not going to be out and about on the roads, relatively speaking. But the main impact is going to be, poor drainage flooding and some gales, winds of up to 35 miles an hour along the coast. And this is going to be for a 6 to 8 hour period, starting between 8 and 10 o'clock tonight and then lasting through early Tuesday morning. So when you wake up tomorrow, if you're heading into work, there could be residual flooding in places in and around the city and parts of the area that normally flood. But this is going to be a wind-swept rain, and it is going to make it for a late evening misery if you're out there. And try to get everything done before 8 o'clock tonight. It's just going to be a cold, dreary rain. But fortunately, we won't be dealing with what the folks in Western New York are going to be dealing with. This is going to be a tree-snapping snowstorm for Western New York, places like Oneonta and Binghamton. They are going to be in line for power outages and tree damage potentially, as this is a late winter storm, and it's going to do midwinter proud. But look at these accumulations. I mean, if these are realized, that is just impressive accumulations. You got to go all the way up to about 1,000 feet or higher to see the highest accumulations with this. But nonetheless, this is an impressive nor'easter. It's a coastal storm that's developing rapidly. Rain is already breaking out in D.C., Virginia, and southernmost New Jersey, and it'll be moving up the coast tonight. And I think between 8 and 10 o'clock, once the rain moves in, it'll start to get steady and heavy. And this will go for a 6 to 8 hour period, and we'll get a good soaking, 1 to 2 inches of rain, and it'll move out of here. And you can see all the heavy snow across western New York State. And we may see some residual rain early tomorrow morning, but absolutely no snow is in the offing for us. Just a windswept, miserable, cold rain for late this evening into early Tuesday morning. And then we still are kind of windy and chilly for Tuesday, as this stubborn storm system is slow to get out. And it's going to really wind up and just kind of linger over southeast Canada. But then we're high and dry for the rest of the week. Now we have another shot at showers on Thursday afternoon, but this looks like it goes by to the north. And the main story of our weather is going to be gradually warming temperatures as we go throughout the week. And I think that this will be the main soaking of rain this period from tonight into Tuesday morning. It doesn't really appear to be much after that. This is all the way out to next Sunday, April 24th. And we look to be high and dry. This frontal system over the Midwest only slowly works through the area on or about Wednesday the 27th. So we're really going to be in decent shape once we rid ourselves of this nasty nor'easter for tonight into early Tuesday morning. Now the temperatures look something like this. We were kind of stuck in the 50s today. Same thing with tomorrow with leftover clouds, but an early exit with that storm moving off. I think by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning we'll be completely done with it. Just windy and a little bit chilly on the chilly side tomorrow with highs in the mid 50s. It might feel like it's in the upper 40s. But then we gradually warm it up, maybe near 60 on Wednesday. Thursday, it looks like the temperatures come up even higher. In and around the city, we could see mid 60s with maybe a glancing blow of a few showers, especially north of the city Thursday afternoon. And then Friday, our temperatures come up a little bit more as we get mid 60s kind of everywhere across the region. And then Saturday, we cool it back down just a little bit, but still highs in the 60s, not bad at all. It looks like a dry weekend. And Sunday, high around 64. And, once we get past this nor'easter tonight, I think the weather will generally improve and we'll be in decent shape. And a general warming trend will start once we get past about midweek or so.